Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Home Cook Hero, back with a new video for y'all. And today I have a quick one for y'all. Maryland style Scrapple My Way. Alright? If you are into it, y'all, and it looks good, or if you want to learn how to make Scrapple, what it's all about, sit back and let's go. Alright, y'all, so first things first, I'm just showing you the Scrapple that I have. That's the brand I got. I found this one in New York, but you can also find it pretty much in any kind of like regular grocery store, I believe. Any one of like the bigger chain grocery stores. So y'all, I'm just gonna try to get this Scrapple out of this casing. It's always so hard and so complicated, but I made it through finally. Anyway, y'all, after that, I'm just gonna take it out, and if you see it, it looks like basically like a processed kind of like meat sausagey thing, and that's basically what it is. All different parts of a pig, and they just grind it all up, and yeah, it comes out looking like that, and you just like cut it. It looks like a little meatloaf. Anyway, y'all, I'm just gonna cut this Scrapple into about 1/2-inch slices, and you want to just make sure you are gentle with it because it does have a tendency to kind of break apart. So I would suggest like taking it right out of the refrigerator and then cutting it like that. Don't leave it out sitting around and stuff like that, because it has a tendency to, like I said, break all apart. And some people actually like to counteract that with dusting it in some flour and kind of like pan frying it, but I don't really want flour all on mine, so that's why I didn't do it like that. And yeah, do it however you prefer though. So, like I said, some people want to put flour on it and it helps it stick together, so you can do that. Anyway, y'all, I've done enough talking about that, so I placed it in my pan, swirled a little olive oil in there, and just had it on medium heat. Cooked it for about 3 minutes on that side till it got nice and golden. And then, like I said, it has a tendency to fall apart, so if you see, I'm using those 2 little spatulas to help me flip everything over, and that worked really, really well for me. And yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go do that with all of the Scrapple. And I actually grew up eating Scrapple in Maryland. I call this Maryland style Scrapple. I don't really know why I put the Maryland part on there, y'all, but I love Scrapple. My mom used to make it for us, not all the time, but like maybe once every other month or something like that. And yeah, this was really a staple for me. Every time I ate it, I always just felt like it was one of those kind of like special breakfasts. So y'all, I'm just flipping over all of that Scrapple, and it is looking good to go. I'm just gonna let it cook on that other side for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat. I don't like my Scrapple to burn or be too burnt, so yeah, I just let it go nice and easy, and I make sure I checked it because it will turn on you and it will burn on you. All right, y'all, so I'm just flipping it over for the last little time. You see them sizzles, and this Scrapple, it's good to go and it's ready to come out of that pan. And yeah, y'all, this is how the Scrapple is looking. So I'm just gonna cut into it, y'all, and I also want y'all to hear how crispy and how just amazing this Scrapple sounded. All right, y'all. So as you can see, that Scrapple was nice and crispy, y'all. All I had to do was just slap it between a couple slices of bread or put it in a biscuit, y'all, and I am good to go, y'all. And maybe I should actually show y'all how I like to eat Scrapple and kind of like a southern style breakfast my way. So I might do that in the future. Look out for that, y'all. But anyway, y'all, if you enjoyed this video, let me know down below in them comments. You can hit that like button, you can hit that subscribe button, and please share the video if you enjoyed it. All right, y'all, I think I've done enough talking. So with that said, I will see you in the next video. Later.